Good morning and welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, I'm Cheyenne Beltran. We just uploaded a video that you guys are about to see. But this time we're doing a face tutorial. Are we ready for this? I think so. And your girl kind of did a little digging at Walgreens and she got a couple of the shades she wanted. So we're gonna do some lip swatches real quick. Hope you guys don't mind, and then we'll get into tutorial. So I got 3 of these less chocolate lippies from L'Oreal. You know the one I'm in love with, which is Candyman. I'm not going to wear it on my lips because you've seen this one so much on me, but it's so pretty. But I'm gonna show you the 2 new ones. So this one is Box of Chocolate. I've not worn them yet on my lips, so that's why I'm testing them out again. Well, this one's like a non-grabbing that much product, which I thought it would. Okay, here's Box of Chocolate. It does not. I thought I was gonna like this shade. This is the shade I wanted. Like, it looks really good. I don't know what my dog's doing. He's being cute, but... So, this is Box of Chocolate. I do love them. Because I want to show you my lip combo I've been doing too recently. And then this one is Dosage Cocoa. Ugh, I love this one. Noah! This is like that perfect nude. So yeah. Here's Dosage Cocoa. Ugh, I love it. Noah! All he keeps doing is scratching in the background. And like, I don't want to hear it because we're filming. Okay, so let's get into tutorial. I already did my whole chit chat in the last video. I'm not gonna repeat it. I think I already did my power nap. Like, this could be my... I'm going to call this one my updated everyday makeup tutorial. So, I'm just going to include another life update. So, before we continue, let me grab my favorite palette. I've been reaching for this palette so much. Just because I love that vanilla cream shade. So, on Sunday was our last day with my cousin, Amanda. She just moved all the way across the country to Virginia with her puppy, Gigi. I miss that little girl so much. I hope she's doing good. You, sit down. Sit! Stop it. Oh my god, now my dog's on me listening. But they just moved across the country. My aunt's with them, helping. And she was supposed to take me to Jersey today, but we didn't go. And, I was And she's supposed to be taking me to the cops, but now my uncle has to. Are you okay? Are you okay, Buzz? What? What? I don't know if my dog's okay, guys. He's being weird. Come here. Come here. Come. Come here. Are you okay? Come on. Come on. Come here, baby. Come here. I don't know what his problem is. Don't come to me. But now I'm going to take a Wet n Wild brush that's basically faded. I really want to start doing fall makeup tutorials actually because it's fall instead of my everyday. So who gets in mind? We're going to do a fall look and then I could do another tutorial. So I'm going to take pumpkin spice. Blend that in. Blend that baby in. Like, I'm not wearing this out. Like, I'm gonna change it to neutral. Like, I never wear this type of shade at all. So the house is too quiet for me. I wish we had someone here because it's really quiet. I am still injured from my rape. If you don't understand, I just did a whole video on it. It's probably uploading still, or it's already up. Go check it out. I explained everything that happened to me in there. Like, he legitimately lifted my right leg up so bad that it's hurting. So bad as we're sitting. Okay. I think we got enough product to... I'm going to lower it up with hazelnut on our corner. There's a edge. So I'm going to take espresso, I think, as my shimmer. Okay, and then I'm just gonna take the same brush, do my brow bone. And then I'll pop her right down there. Out of this whole palette, I always just use caramel, vanilla cream, macchiato, and creme brulee. And sometimes mocha. But I just did stuff out of my comfort zone, y'all. Oh my god. Bam! I never rub it under the inner eyes. But I do have something new I kind of want to show you. So I've been testing out a new product from Maybelline. Or do I want to say Maybelline? From L'Oreal. And it's their Lash Paradise Base. Oh my god, guys. This is insane. You ready? You ready to see the difference? So once that dries, so once these are drying, we'll work on my lip and the highlighter. So I'm always taking my benefit, as always. Boom, boom. Blend. Blend. Then for lips, I've been using this lip liner, which looks snagged. Then I'm taking, I think I have a nude one here. One of these is a nude. I'm not going to use my other two nudes. I'm going to use a different nude. I want to see how it looks. Because then I want to test one more thing. I want to try this on top. I might like this actually. And this is from Urban Decay. It's a lip topper in the shade FIFA. I don't think I like this one, but I'm gonna try to put this one on top too. Let me see. Does it work? Glowing. So I'm gonna try something else out while for the next video. So we're trying a new lip combo. I think my lashes are ready for us. This is my Did Not Bake. I always get friggin'. Oh, that's great. It's right next to it. Highlight. And y'all, you wanna see how many mascaras I own now? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's insane. I have so many, but here's our completed look. I'm not setting my face because I'm going to take this off. Got that earlier in the house. I kind of am digging the lip. I don't know what happened under here. I hope you guys enjoyed this fall tutorial with me testing new lippies. And if you just like this video, then just like it, comment, and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 100 by the New Year's. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys then. Bye.